Looking to transform your space? Say goodbye to dull walls and empty corners. It's time to create a lush, vibrant hanging garden that breathes life into your home. No matter the size of your space, a hanging garden fits right in. It's the perfect way to add greenery without sacrificing precious floor space. And the best part? It's simpler than you think. Start by gathering your materials. Grab some hanging planters, macrame hangers, or even repurpose old baskets. You'd be surprised what you can use. Old colanders, mason jars, and woven baskets can all be turned into stylish hanging planters. Let your creativity flow. There are no rules here. When it comes to choosing plants, think about the vibe you want to create. For that dreamy, cascading look, go for trailing plants like pothos, string of pearls, or ferns. They create an instant waterfall of green, adding texture and movement to any room. Don't forget to mix different lengths and types to give it more dimension. Craving a splash of color? Choose flowering plants like petunias, fuchsia, or begonias. They'll brighten your space and add vibrant energy all year long. Group different colors together or stick to a single palette for a more curated feel. Flowering vines, like bougainvillea, can also add a dramatic effect when placed near windows or doorways. Looking for something practical? Try a hanging herb garden. Imagine fresh basil, mint, and rosemary right at your fingertips. It's beautiful and useful. Hang them in your kitchen window or balcony to create a mini farm-to-table experience at home. Not only will it save space, but the aroma is incredible. If you've got an outdoor area, take it up a notch by mixing in lanterns or fairy lights. Your garden will glow with a magical vibe when the sun goes down. You can even add wind chimes or small mirrors to reflect light and create a peaceful ambiance. Layer plants at different heights, combining lush greens with delicate flowers and soft lighting for a serene and inviting space. Best thing about hanging gardens? They grow and change with you. Day by day, your space transforms, becoming a reflection of care and creativity. Rotate plants seasonally, swapping out summer blooms for winter-friendly greenery. For time, your hanging garden will evolve into a personal oasis, so why wait? Start small, dream big, and let nature elevate your home. Whether it's 1 plant or 10, every little touch adds to the beauty. Like what you see? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy ways to transform your space.